excuse me, is this the 6th of September? 6th of September. I think this is the last race of the year down in Kirkistown. So you have Corey McGreevy, Dean McMaster, Johnny McKay. What's the wee programme? Is this here we're on now? Race 11.
No, we're on the next one, sorry, the bigger one.
12. Well, this is the Super Sport Cup B race. So this is mainly 600 races. So you have a whole gaggle of riders. You'll just have to follow the instructions that the commentator is using. Because, I'll put a few links in the description down below. But
so the last minute adjustments there.
There we go.
The revs go up. So here we go then. So the revs going up. We'll leave a premature for some riders there, but the green flag then is being waved at the back of the grid. The tour to watch the lights. Oh, and a bit of a messy start there from a lot of the riders.
Big Series 3. Saturday.
Very messy start from some of the riders, and I think Lewis Condon got a very good start, but unfortunately he connected them to the creepers. Crosses the line, he's in the lead from Stuart Hastings, Paul O'Rourke, Alan Armstrong, Nathan Mayen, Lewis Crompton in 6th, 7th is Steve Green, 8th is Darren Rose, 9th is James Collins.
So that's Dadder Step that you see them coming round now. And this is first and second Colonials, and then they go under Fisherman's. This is basically the 600 class.
Inside of Albert Pepper and breaks the lead of this race.
See them heading down towards Fisherman's Bend. This is first and second Colonials.
Dropping in to James Porter down in 7th place, a runner 2.67. 5.
The riders that are wearing the orange bibs are what's called newcomers.
got absolutely swamped, but he's really good into Colonial's one here as he moves away on side, but Albert Pender was able to hold him off.
They're on the last lap now. Oh, there's a nice manoeuvre on the inside. Nice passer. This is the last lap, so you'll see that the leader's coming round. Coming round. Debtor's Bend, and in just a second.
That third place, and what a run there for James Porter. Up in the fourth, Stuart Heath Smith, sixth was this time, seventh was Dean Graham, Andy Kildare, so Dean Graham getting the better of this, something across the line. The whole bunch around the close one, away through Daniel Green, 16, 17, passing the this one, thought it was all finished on the last race. Think again.
So this is a super sport race that's coming up next. Basically the super sport race is a 600 race. So this will be very exciting, this race here. I think it's 10 laps.
On the grid.
So here we have the, these are basically 600 machines. So that's just a warm-up lap that they're on. A warm-up lap, or sometimes they call it a sighting lap.
Back up towards us now.
So they're coming up to the start and finish area, which is just ahead there.
He's lining up in this order. Corey McGreevy on pole from Kirkistown. Mark Conlon. First of the cup class there is Rob McCauley. Rob is currently sixth there. Gary Scott there seventh. Eighth is Michael Carr. Lining up in ninth is Robert Waddell. So I think we're all pretty much there or thereabouts. They've lined up pretty sharpish there. Everyone knows where they're meant to be. And that's always a bonus, especially for us. oscillates. Oh, away they go. Oh, an awful start there from Ross Irwin. Ross Irwin going backwards, but look at Mark Conlon again. Mark Conlon just chasing down. That's a far better start this time round for Conlon. Chasing down Corey McGreevy.
That's Corey McGreevy in the lead. See him just in the distance going round Fisherman's Bend. This circuit is only about 1.5 miles to 2 miles long. Corey McGreevy's in the lead. He's got a good lead. You can see Corey McGreevy there. Fans from all over the world here today. I met some Italian people earlier on there.
It was 0.9 last time round. It's now 0.908, so close there. Mark Holland then across the line.
That's Corey McGreevy in the lead.
57.1. An absolute superb job here.
Corey McGreevy. Corey McGreevy's in the lead. There's Corey McGreevy coming down now, extending his lead. See Corey McGreevy's, he's almost got his elbow on the ground. a chicane, and then they go through the chicane and then they head up to the hairpin. Corey McGreevy. So Corey McGreevy's actually catching up on the back markers.
Kirkistown is going to turn in a move here.
There's Corey McGreevy coming up. No, that's not him. I think this is Corey McGreevy now. That's Corey McGreevy. Look at the style. Wow. 3 laps to go. Nice passer. Oh, he went straight on. There's Corey McGreevy. No, that's Corey McGreevy there. Corey McGreevy got the win.
Across the line, and Gary stopped this wheel over there, and he said hello or Now 13, 14 for Joey Hennessy,